Hello space fans, I'm Astronomy, and this is an Astronomy Short. Today we're going to talk about how to identify a planet versus a star in the night sky. So how exactly do we do that? Well, it's very simple and I'm going to show you. Let's begin with the stars. The stars are billions of miles away. They are in space, shining bright and sending their light all the way back to Earth, where we see them as tiny blips in the sky. And it looks like the star becomes dim, then bright, and then dim again. And it appears to twinkle, but they're not actually twinkling. Stars twinkle because of the turbulence in the atmosphere. As the atmosphere churns, the light from the star is refracted in different directions. This causes the star's image to change slightly in brightness and in position. So when you're looking up, it appears that the lights in the sky are twinkling and glittering all over the place, but they're actually not. So how can I identify if it's a planet? Well, don't stars and planets exactly look alike to the naked eye? Well, yeah they do, but there is one slight difference. See, with stars, they are so distant that they appear as pinpoints of light in the night sky, even when viewed through a telescope. And because all the light is coming from a single point, its path is highly susceptible to atmospheric interference. The planets, however, are relatively close to Earth in the solar system, and they don't give off their own light. All the planets in the solar system are visible because the sun gives them the light. Just like the moon, the light we see from all the planets are reflected sunlight. Therefore, when we see them in the sky, they don't twinkle at all. They just appear as very bright objects and very non-twinkling. Several planets are visible and bright throughout the year, and you can see them all with the naked eye. In fact, Venus is the third brightest object in the sky next to the Sun and the Moon. Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars are easily visible through the naked eye throughout the entire year. As for Neptune and Uranus, you may need to see them with a pair of binoculars because they are too far away. So now you know, and you look to see Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. If you're not, it's a planet. I know you are. I'm Astronomy, and this has been an Astronomy Short.